Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikant. Today I will explain about minute dash function. First, what is minute dash function? Minute dash function returns the minutes and integer from 0 to 59. Syntax minute and date time. Okay, check this dash function. Let's check this minute function in Power BI desktop. Okay, now I'm already prepared some data. Next, click on measure, new column, minute. Okay, next add table name and column name. Okay, next close this. See, this minute is a function name, sales is a column name, table name, time is a column name. Okay, let's check this time function. See this, it's let's check this minute function. See this, it's automatically dividing only minutes. Okay, this is minute dax function. Thank you friends, please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills.